In this video, I'll guide you through how to reset your login password on your Discover account. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for security reasons, resetting it is straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Discover login page. You can easily find this by typing Discover login into your web browser, and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the login page, look for the link that says Forgot User ID Password. Click on this link to begin the password reset process. Now it's time to verify your identity. This step is crucial to ensure that your information remains secure. You'll need to enter your 16-digit account number, which you can find on your Discover card. Also, input your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. These details help Discover confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account. After you've successfully verified your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new password. When choosing a new password, make sure it's strong and unique. Using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters can help enhance its security. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Once you've set your new password, the process is nearly complete. You can now return to the login page and use your newly created password to access your account. If everything has been done correctly, you should be able to log in without any issues. And there you have it. Resetting your Discover account password is as simple as that. Just a few quick steps and you're back in control of your account. If you ever find yourself locked out again, remember these steps and you'll be up and running in no time. If you encounter any issues during this process, be sure to reach out to Discover's customer service for further assistance. They can provide additional support if you're having trouble verifying your identity or creating a new password. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you successfully reset your Discover login password. Don't forget to keep your password secure and update it regularly to maintain your account security. Feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.